Wait, stop fighting.
What is them? They don't fight. Both of them are compound fools. In fact, they are community fools.
I'm talking, you're still fighting. Stop fighting. Why are the both of you fighting?
Say, sir, we were just passing by you. But Masha, wait oh. Yes, so what if as you are walking now and we saw 1 million naira on the floor and I pick it, do you know I will give you 50,000 naira and take 950,000?
What did you say? That you're going to take 950,000 and give me 50,000 out of 1 million the both of us saw?
Am I not the one that saw it?
My brother, you are stupid.
But I'm the one that saw it and pick it up.
You are stupid.
What do you mean by I'm stupid? Masha!
You push me.
Hey, Masha!
Sir, judge this thing, no. Just judge this thing now. How is it going to give me 50,000 and take 950,000 out of 1 million naira that we're going to pick on the floor? Judge this thing now. Is it fair? Judge this thing now.
The both of you are compound fools. Short, they are community fools.
Yes.
Are you hearing me? Sense you don't have.
Single sense they don't have.
Where is the money you're fighting for?
Thank you for watching that sweet comedy video. Please subscribe, like and share. Please subscribe. Please like and share. Share with your friends. Don't be stingy. Please share. Please like and share. Please. Thank you. See you next Friday.
Bye-bye.
Bye.